Whew. All right, we're back. You know where we're at. We're at the hole. We're at Jackson. Back to a good zone we were at yesterday. We're going hard today. First tram this morning. Having a blast already. Oh, couldn't be more stoked. Look at that. Oh, yo, baby. Look how good that is. Oh my God. Jackson doesn't get any better, dude. 2 days in a row. Absolute firing. Oh my goodness, was that a good run. It's just so soft. It stayed cool overnight. Temp stayed low. It was like 10 at the peak this morning. Oh, the snow is light. Oh. That'll make you happy. Woo! It's deep everywhere. Oh, it's deep. Man, this place is nothing but a good time. Oh, back to it, baby. Back to it. Yoo, yoo, yoo. Back to it, baby. Oh. Back to it. It's too good. I had to come in here. I had to. I couldn't not. It's too good. Oh. Oh, it's too good. It's too good. Oh. Oh. Man. Woo! Yeah, boy. Oh, is this a good day? Oh, that's skiing well. Yeah, boy. That's skiing so good. Oh, Lord, was that good? Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Woo! Oh, Lord, have mercy. Was that good? Woo! Man, was that good? Yeah, baby.
Nice one, bro.
Oh! Woo!
Nice.
Yeah, brother.
Nice, dude.
Woo!
Well done.
Oh, man, was that good and deep. Ah.